Hi guys, my name is Jo. So this is my workout for today. It's going to be a whole body circuit workout. So don't forget to follow my Instagram account at Villablanca. I love Ayala Mall Circuit and at HoliFit PH. So for your warm-up, do 30 seconds of each exercise. First will be your jumping jacks, straight to high knees, and then straight to butt kicks. So first we're gonna do squat with ab twist. So you squat, and then you twist. Squat and twist. Squat and twist. 20 in total, so that's 10 per side. Next is your ski hops for 1 minute. Double pulse to squat jumps. So pulse twice and then jump. Next is your inchworm to push-ups. You can also go down on your knees when you push up. Ten reps. Alternating back lunges. So that's 20 in total, 10 each leg. Next is your mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Push-ups, 10 reps. You can also go down on your knees. And last but not the least, burpees. 10 reps. So for your cool down, let's meet at tabletop position. We're gonna do 3 rounds of cat and cows. So inhale, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round the back. Gaze through your navel. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more round. Inhale. Exhale to cat. So from your neutral, from your tabletop, lower the upper body, slide your hands forward into a low cobra or sphinx. Stay here for a few seconds. So for people with tight glutes, let's stretch them. Figure 4. So right ankle above left thigh, and then you squat low, bringing the hips back. You may do this beside a wall, holding a chair, or you can test out your balance. Stay here for a few seconds, and then we switch to the other side. Left ankle on top of right thigh. Squat low, hips back. Chest is open. Flex the foot.